with two-digit numbers. On the board, we have 36 minus 29. To begin subtracting, let's start in the ones column, where we have 6 minus 9. We cannot subtract 9 from 6 because 9 is actually bigger than 6. So we must make 6 big enough to subtract 9. To do that, we have to first borrow. We're going to borrow 1 from the number in the next column. We're going to cross out 3, and 3 becomes 2 because we borrowed 1 from 3. And the 1 we borrowed goes here over the 6. And 6 is now 16. And we can subtract. 16 minus 9 is 7. Moving over to the tens column, let's subtract. We have 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Because 2 minus 2 is 0, we don't have to write 0 in our answer. The answer is 7. 36 minus 29 equals 7. On the board, we have 42 minus 15. To begin subtracting, we're going to start in a ones column, where we have 2 minus 5. We cannot subtract 5 from 2 because 5 is actually bigger than 2. So we must first borrow 1 from the number in the next column. To borrow 1, I'm going to cross out 4. And then 4 becomes 3. And the 3 goes here at the top. And the 1 we borrowed goes here over the 2. And we now have 12. Let's subtract. 12 minus 5 is how much? Correct. 7. Now moving over to the tens column, let's subtract. What is 3 minus 1? Yes, 3 minus 1 is 2. And our answer is 27. 42 minus 15 equals 27. And that was our last example. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful math tutorials. Thank you guys.